Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Today is screen-free day, so you'll have some activities to enjoy that are not on the computer. I'd like to read you our morning message for today. It says 4/8/20. Dear class, good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. You will act out a story today. Do you know what Mad Libs is? Love, your teachers. So I don't know if any of you have heard of Mad Libs before or done a Mad Libs, but they are fun stories and they come in a book that looks like this. This is Mad Libs about cats. You can get Mad Libs about all kinds of different topics. And what it is a story that is written, part of it is written, and the rest of it has blank spaces. And we need to add words into those blank spaces. But we don't know what the story is about. So after we add our words into the blank spaces, it makes kind of a silly story because it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. So we had to add some adjectives. Remember, an adjective is a describing word, some nouns, person, place, thing, or animal, and some verbs, which is something that you do. We had to add all of those to our story, and we did that during our live morning meeting today. So I am going to read you the story that we came up with, and it has a lot of silly words in it that don't make sense because students came up with those words. So it goes like this. Dear giant neighbor, I'm glad we have come to a hairy understanding about our ickle-me, pickle-me, tickle-me twos. You have come to accept my 2,000 cats, and I have come to accept your icky dog. Yes, my weird cats may dance in your garden, but your pretty dog digs up my cats. And I will remind you that my cats purr very happily while your dog barks darkly. To conclude, I feel sorry for the home man who is scared of your beautiful dog. While he brings treats for my furry felines, I'm glad we have been able to come to a shiny understanding on this matter. Yours truly, the bird lady next door. The end. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and I will see you soon. Bye.